name is Ryan Lippe, and I'm a consumer educator with Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost, Consumer Protection Section. We go out and make sure people are safe in the marketplace. And a really important marketplace in the wintertime may be home improvement and home repair. If there's a lot of snow or ice, companies may come to your door offering to take it off your driveway or to replace roofing shingles, gutters, clean your chimney, trim the trees, all kinds of home repair problems they may want to correct. The important thing is to do your homework. Don't go with just one estimate. And if a company comes up to you door to door, make sure you do your research. Take a deep breath. Don't give in to any high pressure tactics, and go to the Better Business Bureau, go to the Ohio Attorney General's office, and do some internet searches to find out the company's reputation and whether there are a lot of problems or unresolved complaints with that company. So again, my name is Ryan Lippe at the Ohio Attorney General's office. I'm in the Consumer Protection Section. And if you need our help, if you have a complaint against a business or you want to report a scam, feel free to give us a call toll free at 800-282-0515 or visit our website at www.ohioprotects.org. Stay safe. Stay skeptical, and by all means, give us a call and let us know how we can help you as a residential consumer in the state of Ohio. Thanks so much.